Hey, what's up everybody? Brian here with Frugal Footprint. A while back I did a video on what to do with fallen tree branches, and that was earlier this spring. So I've been putting it off all summer, but I think it's time for the epic chainsaw time lapse. I have a lot of logs and piles of wood that need to be taken care of, so I'm just gonna go ahead and zip through all of this. Alright, so a couple quick chainsaw safety tips before we get started. Eye protection, always. Good idea to have gloves on. And then the other thing to think about is when you're holding the chainsaw, think about where it's going to go once it goes through the log. You do not want to have your leg or any limb in the path after it goes through the log. Could be really, really bad, really fast. All right, I've got the bar oil topped off and the gas topped off. We should be good to go. Let's do this. Alright, thanks for joining me on this epic chainsaw time-lapse video. Didn't take long at all, and now we have a ton of extra firewood. Go ahead, hit the like button, let me know what you think in the comments below, and I will see you on the next video. So totally random, nothing to do with sustainability, but everything to do with my love for animals. We've seen this red-tailed hawk kind of limping around our yard for the past couple days, and we called the Raptor Center and they've been trying to catch it and just no luck. But this morning we saw it on a park bench nearby and called the Raptor Center, and they were able to catch it. Its wing was injured pretty badly, but they said that they think they should be able to get it mended and hopefully back flying around soon. But check this out, it's pretty cool.
Yes! Wow. I've never seen anything like it. That's a beautiful bird.
Yeah, it's got a lot of blood there though.
Oh wow. What do you think happened?
It could be a...
Who knows?